Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, My Fun Hut. Today's topic is fun with magnets and uses of magnets. Before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. A magnet is a metallic object which attracts iron or magnetic things. Magnetite is an ore of iron which has magnetic properties. Discovery of magnets. There are many interesting stories about the discovery of magnet. The common story is of a Greek shepherd named Magnus. It is said that the nails in his shoes and the iron tip of his staff got stuck to a large black rock on which he was standing on. Greeks named this strange type of rock as magnetite. Magnets come in various shapes and sizes. They can be found as horseshoe, ring, disc, cylindrical or bar shape. So today I am going to show you a fun magnetic activity with ring magnets. So let's levitate. So here I have a cardboard frame with 4 ring magnets. I am going to take this cardboard piece and I am going to put it in this slot. Now I am going to take this pencil which has 4 ring magnets. I have put them in pairs of 2. Now I am going to put it here. It should levitate like this. Now I am going to spin the pencil. There is a magnetic field around the magnets. Because they are of the same pole, the magnets are repelling each other and the pencil is floating. Let's spin it again. Now sharpen the other end and attach the propeller. Attach the propeller firmly. Then make the pencil levitate again and blow on the propeller. Magnets have several uses. I am going to list out a few. Compass. It has a small magnetic needle which can rotate freely and always points in the Earth's north-south direction. It is used to find directions on the surface of the Earth by travelers. Holding things. It is one of the most common uses of magnets. Fridge magnets, magnetic sticker, pen stand, soap stand, some pencil boxes and many toys. The actual refrigerator doors stay enclosed because of magnets in the door frames. Electric motors. Moving a metal wire near a magnet produces electricity. Magnets are responsible for making electric motors and generators work, in which electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Vending machine. Coins are separated and sorted inside vending machines with magnets. These magnets sort out metal discs from real coin money. Also, currency notes and checks have magnetic dust in their ink. Vending machines and currency counters check the money for its magnetism to ensure the money is genuine. Credit card. Credit cards, ATM cards and identity cards have a strip of magnetic material that stores information. Television and computer screens. Televisions and computer screens use magnetism to create the images we see on the screens. Computer hard disks and audio and video cassettes have magnetic material that store information. Speakers. Magnets are used in speakers which convert electrical energy into sound energy. Scrapyard. Magnets are used in picking up substances made of iron from scrapyards to separate the magnetic and non-magnetic substances. Cranes. In large industrial cranes, extremely strong electromagnets are used to lift heavy objects off the ground and transport them from one place to another. Maglev trains. Magnetically levitated trains use magnets under the trains to float above the magnets tracks. Because the magnets are repelling each other, they can travel up to 300 miles per hour. Kids can have fun while learning about different types and uses of magnets. Without magnets, the world would be a very different place. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, share and click the notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Bye!